Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to easily clean this kitchen hood filter without any hard scrubbing, using only baking soda and a little bit of hot water. As you can see, these filters are pretty dirty at the moment. I try to clean them every 6 months or so, and just recently I have discovered a very simple process to clean these filters in 5 minutes. First, fill your sink with the hot water so you can fit your filter in there. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda in this hot water. It is very important to mix everything pretty well to make sure that this baking soda is dissolved in this hot water. Be careful because everything is pretty hot. Now just take off this filter. As you can see, it's even more dirty from the inside. Put this filter in this hot water. As you can see, I'm not soaking the whole filter because I want to show you the difference when this part is cleaned. We will leave this filter like this for 5 minutes. You can stir the water occasionally just to make sure that all that baking soda is dissolved. And now the combination of baking soda and hot water will eat up all that grease on this filter. 5 minutes later, we will take this hot water and pour it all over this filter. You can already see right here how dirty this water is, and for one final touch we will take a brush and we will just apply a little bit pressure over this filter. Nothing too much, please, just a little bit pressure. And of course be careful because this water is really hot. And there you go. To see it a little bit better, you can already see a visible difference between left and the right side of this filter. We are going to soak the whole filter right in this hot water, this other filter also, and we will repeat this same process to get this same result. This all was pretty simple and straightforward. You just have to do the work. I hope you have found this video useful, and if you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.